What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiara, and welcome back to my channel, Kingdom Key Beats. I am coming before you all with this Juneteenth inspired eye makeup look. I am going in with my fruit pie filling eyeshadow palette, and these colors are bomb. Yes, like look at those colors, y'all. That's bomb. I got this eyeshadow palette from Amazon. I will link all of the products that I used in this video down in the description box below. I'm going in with the shade Cranberry and applying that to my eyelids, just blending that color in on top of the transition shade. And I had a lot of fun filming this look, although it was a bit dramatic for my liking. I wouldn't go outside in real life with this makeup look. However, it is very fun and it is very vibrant, it's very colorful, and it just fits the Juneteenth theme like very well. So I did enjoy filming this look, guys. So now that I have that all blended, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm using that flat brush to create a cut crease on my eyelids. This cut crease is a little bit different. This is what I call the wing cut crease. This is just my own little term for it, because when you're creating a wing liner, you're going all the way to the outside corner of your eye. And I'm doing that same kind of technique while creating this cut crease. So yeah, I'm just going in with that concealer and cutting my crease. Now I am going in with my Revolution setting powder in the color Banana Deep, and I'm going to apply that powder on top of the concealer while I cut my crease. And this is basically just to set that concealer and make sure that when I apply the colors on top of that cut crease, it doesn't move. And it looks like I was having just a little bit too much fun with that powder. Now I'm taking this beautiful glitter and I'm going to apply that glitter onto my cut crease. I'm going to use my eyelash glue, and this is by Kiss, and I'm applying that glue to the places where I'm going to apply that glitter. And now I'm just packing that glitter onto my cut crease. Now that I have my glitter added, I'm going to go in with the color Cranberry again, and I'm just going to pack that color onto the rest of that cut crease. Now I'm going in with the color Avocado, and I'm going to do the same thing to my other eyelid. Now I'm going in with this yellow liquid liner, and I'm going to basically apply that to the top of where I cut my crease. And this is where I speed up the face makeup process with my little tricks. But baby girl, I think I served the Juneteenth holiday some justice. Let me know what you all think in the description box below. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed filming it. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. Well guys, that wraps up this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.